Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up.
Welcome to Melody's Treasure Box. Welcome back, Treasure Box friends. Last time we opened Lady Diva and Royal B. I can't wait to see what Swag and Neonlicious look like. Come on, let's open it up.
Today we're opening the LOL Surprise OMG Neonlicious and Swag fashion dolls. There's 20 surprises in each. You can unbox fashions, dress them, and strut their stuff. Plus there's a reusable dressing room inside.
Yay!
And these two cuties are finally meeting their big sisters.
Yay!
Look at their names on the side. It's so cool. And on the back it says, OMG, we sisters slay all day. We strut fierce style like the divas we are, and we march to the beat of our own DJ, making everything a little more outrageous. We stand out from the crowd and write our own set of rules, cause we're here to surprise the world. Melody, who do you want to open first? Swag or Neonlicious?
Neonlicious.
Okay.
My big sister looks so cool. I can't wait to see her.
All right, pull the tab, Melody. Whoa! Look at all those neon colors.
You get that one, I get that one. Let's get that one.
The kids love the accessories. Wow, look at her. She is so cool.
Look at that, look at that, look at her.
There's a little purse like the What's in My Purse surprise.
You want to see? Wow, it looks like just like the other one.
Yeah.
But something's different. Guess what is it?
What?
The glasses.
And we'll be opening these soon, Treasure Box friends. Stay tuned.
Yay!
There she is, Neonlicious. Bright colors, city lights, selfie, or it didn't happen. Always extra, never too much. Meow. That's cute. Okay, let's take out the fashions and unbox them.
Yay! We're in the bag.
Okay, kids, which one do you want to open?
Wow.
We got some garment bags.
This is cool. What's this? Ooh, all her clothes.
Never seen someone so excited over a shoe before. We got this neon yellow hat box filled with cool accessories like this leopard print beret, and there's even studs on the edge.
Ooh.
Plus she got these funky pink and yellow glasses. Look, that's so cool.
Whoa.
The lens is only halfway there, and there's like a lightning bolt on the side. She also got these cool white earrings and these neon orange bangles. Her magazine says, don't worry if things look a little gray, bright skies are just around the corner. And we just fold it up like that. Here's her hot pink shoebox, and it says size 6.5, white pleather. Let's check it out. Cole was screaming over them. Ah, Cole, let me show it. And inside were these cool white pleather high top shoes with the most amazing platform on it. Wow, could you run in these shoes? We also got these cool garment bags. Let's see what's inside. Melody, you want to open one?
Okay, let's open it. Ooh, it's a pink plastic dress. I really love the pink. It looks so cool. I can see through it.
Wow, check out this cool checkered pleather jacket. It's cropped, and there's so many cute little details, like these little studs, a little zipper, buckle, and little belt loops. The detail is so amazing. And Melody got this super cute pink plastic overall dress. That is so cool. And there's some Velcro in the back. And we got these pink and black hangers we can reuse. Okay, guys, you want to get her dress?
Yeah.
Let's get her out. Wow, check out that cool mirror. It's curvy this time. Check out Neonlicious. She is so kawaii and sassy looking too. She has hot pink lips, and look at those crazy eyebrows.
Wow, I like her.
Yeah, she has bright blue eyes with pink eye makeup underneath and yellow eyeshadow on top. And she even has little yellow stars on top of her blush.
Ooh.
That is so cool. She reminds me of a Harajuku girl. Oh, do you love her, Koa?
Yeah. I like her more.
And what's even cooler is her crimped hair. She has long strands in the front, and it's half orange, half hot pink. Look at it. Whoa, that is so cool, the texture. Feels like there's a lot of hairspray in it though. Her arms are articulated at the shoulder, elbow, and wrist. Check this out. And look at her beautiful hands. They're actually a very soft plastic that's flexible. And she has the prettiest long turquoise nails. The detail there is so intricate. And I love her neon yellow outfit. It's a sleeveless turtleneck with a cutout there and some bike shorts. And they can all come off with the Velcro there. She also comes with a neon yellow brush and her neon pink doll stand. Now let's see what's in her blind bag. Melanie! Oh my gosh, look! It's a what's in my purse surprise purse. It's a little girl with blonde hair. And look at her tiny body down here with cat eye sunglasses. Oh, and it even has a long silver chain handle. Check out all her amazing accessories. She already looks so cute with her little overall dress and bangles. And as we were putting her shoes on, we noticed how cute her feet were too. Look at all those little toes. The detail is amazing. And it's actually pretty flexible. That's so cool. And even the bottom looks so realistic. Okay, everyone, are you ready to meet Neonlicious?
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, she looks so amazing.
Where's my sister?
I'm right here.
Oh, there you are.
You look so funky and cool.
You look so neon.
I know, we are so neon bright.
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you too.
Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes.
All right, here she is on her doll stand, and she's ready to check herself out in the dressing room mirror.
Let's see. Ready, set, go. Do you look good?
Do I look good?
Yeah, you
Yay!
do. Sister, where are you? Where are you, sister? Right here. Oh. Well, little sister, do you see yourself in the mirror? It looks cool, right? Yeah.
They look so funky and cool together.
Yeah.
And look, we almost forgot our glasses. And check out how perfectly they match. Now it's MC Swag's turn to meet her big sister.
Yay!
Yay! Let's meet Swag.
Yeah, I can't wait. Wow.
Beautiful.
Ooh, look at her.
I can already tell her hair is going to be so pretty and amazing.
And feels like noodles.
And here it says, Swag, I'm the baddest MC on the block, and I got mad swag. You know I'm it when you see my tag. Catch me dripping in gold and spitting rhymes, cause I got fabulous in the bag.
Wow, she looks so cool.
But before we take the doll out, let's check out her fashions. And first there's a magazine. You got fab dreams and you all about that hustle. But make sure to take time to chill. Oh no, Koa just snuck in there and took out all of this. He really likes these boxes. We got our shoe and hat box. And this one says 6.5 tan suede. Okay, Melody, you want to open that one?
Yeah. Ooh, 4 earrings and then it says swag. Ooh.
Koa, what did you get? Yay, you got some Timberland boots.
Let me see.
He's so excited about his shoes. Well, it looks like some Timberlands.
I can't wait to see her clothes.
Check out these awesome garment bags. They look like they're graffitied. It says bling, fame, LOL, vibes, mic drop, baby. And there's money signs on this one.
Oh, that's cool.
Melody got 2 gold chain necklaces and one has a $sign pendant on it. She also got these cool gold hoop earrings that say swag, and look at all that bling bling. And check out these funky glasses. The rim is gold and the lenses are red. And Koa's shoebox contained these tan Timberlands with a major high heel. Okay, Melanie, you want to see what's inside these garment bags?
Yeah.
Which one do you want to open?
This one.
Ooh.
What?
I got the track pants.
I can't wait to see it.
On the gold hanger, I got these luxurious knit track pants. Look, they have a $ pattern on them. The waistband is stretchy, and there's a stripe on the side that goes all the way down the leg with these gold studs embellishing it, and most of it is open.
Ooh.
And Melody got this matching crop jacket. It's so cute. Look at that tiny gold zipper. Oh my gosh. It's even cut out on the sleeves. And if you can see that really closely, it says OMG LOL along the stripes. Now let's get swag out. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Here's her red brush and gold doll stands. All right, let's check out her purse from the BB Boutique.
It even has a $sign.
Wow, you were right. It's a white backpack with knit bottom and a gold $ on front.
Yay!
And the straps are gold chains. These are so cool. She is really hip. And Melody, check her out.
Wow.
Isn't she beautiful?
I love her.
She has long platinum blonde hair, and look at these tiny braids.
It's so cool. She was
That's
good when I brushed it, actually. Really felt good.
Ooh.
Whoa. Let me put it.
She has pretty green eyes, blue eyeshadow, and red lips, and a little beauty mark. And she has a little mesh bodysuit on with LOL OMG on the stripes. Plus she has these knee-high socks with little black stripes.
Ooh.
And of course we have to admire her beautiful hands. They're flexible, and she has long red fingernails.
I want to try something with the doll.
Do you want to get her dress, Melody? Wow, she's like doing a perfect plank. No. It's so cool that she can hold that position. Not many people can.
I can. Watch this. Look, guys, she's reading the fashion magazine. She looks so cool in the salon. I love it, the salon.
Hey, can I join you?
Yeah, little swag. Yay!
Get that magazine out. I love you.
Me too.
They look so cute together, but we gotta get swag dressed.
Yeah.
She looks so cool.
Ooh.
She's ready to go to her concert.
Is she gonna beatbox?
She's gonna DJ. And look, she even has her backpack on. Her hair is almost as long as her body. That's pretty cool. And I love these cutouts on her arms and legs. And check out that major bling on her earring.
Wow.
It's my first time here. Maybe you can show me out of here. I think she got something in me. So please forgive my rudeness if I'm tripping over your time.
Oh, they're a perfect match, don't you think, Melody?
Yeah. She looks sporty and fancy at the same time.
I know.
Hey, sister, we met. She even wore red.
Oh. I'm ready for my close-up. Where's the mirror? Do I look good, MC Swag?
Yeah, you do. Now let's go to the concert because I look good and you look good. Yay!
Yay, let's go!
Check out Swag and Neonlicious. They look so cute together. Who is your favorite treasure box friend?
She says, wait, you forgot something. Every good thing comes to an end. At least it always happened to me.
And now we can see that our whole collection. Aren't they so beautiful?
To worry, cause I got this all down. And we get on together. And
My favorite is still Lady Diva. I hope you enjoyed our boxing of all these cool fashion dolls.